Hi everyone, it's Veronica, and I'm here with another episode of Case of the Forgotten Pens. And for those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, this is where I am taking pens from my Pinterest boards and creating the projects. I've had some pens for a very long time and have done absolutely nothing with them. So I just decided that now would be a great time to start creating or recreating those pens. And casing is copying and selectively editing. So let's jump in to what I use for today's project, and it will be a quick one today. I used my corner rounders. This is the angle one that I used, and the 1/2-inch rounder. Tim Holtz Black Soot Distress ink. Some seam binding, the basic gray magnetic discs, and this is the paper that I used, My Mind's Eye Chalk Studio, which comes from way back. I couldn't find the year on this one, but it's a very, very old collection, and it also had lots of pieces with it. So I used some of the journaling cards. There were also ephemera that I had used. I don't have it here, but some of the ephemera that went with it. And I also used Graphic 45 large tag in craft. And this is the project that I cased. I made a mini. At the beginning of the video, you saw the inspiration pen. And it was a Father's Day. It was for Father's Day, but I just used this one to do a regular photo album. So here's the seam binding that I used. This was the ephemera. These were attached to banners, but I took them off so that I could use them like this. And this has magnets in it. You can hear that. And it is, like I said, a photo album. This is one of the ephemera pieces as well. And this is how it opens up. Hopefully you get to see this. And there are lots of tutorials on how to do this kind of mini. This was a 1-sheet mini. So here is where I use the angle corner rounder. Here, some more of the ephemera, the photo corners. And I just put a little mat there for the photo. And I created a pocket here and just added a piece of the ephemera. And also a pocket here, because this is the tag itself. And when you score the tag, you just flip it over, and that created the pocket here. And some more of the ephemera in the pocket. And then this is the back side. So it's really just a lot of cutting and matting. And I will have a link in the description box to the inspiration pen and the tutorial for it. Now, in hers, she did put magnets on all of the flaps. I just chose not to do that. And I think it turned out just as well. But you just flip them all up from the bottom. And then close all the flaps down, which the magnets would be a great idea. Just remember that if you're going to do that, you need to put it down before you put the paper down. And then you just fold in. And that is my project for today. Thank you all for tuning in. If you are not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and invite some of your crafty friends over. Also, if you choose to come along on this journey and create or case some of your pens that you have, please do a video and title it Forgotten Pens with Veronica so I can easily find it. I would love to give you a shout out so that others can come and visit your channel as well. Thank you all for watching. Happy crafting.